For centuries, the name resonated with the promise of unimaginable riches, El Dorado. It fueled an era of exploration, driven by an insatiable desire for gold and the allure of a lost world. But the reality behind the legend is far more complex than the mythical city that captured the European imagination. The true origin of the El Dorado legend lies not in a city of gold, but in the sacred rituals of the Muisca people, who inhabited the high plateau of the eastern ranges of the Colombian Andes. Accounts from the 16th century describe a ceremony performed during the inauguration of a new Muisca chieftain. As part of this ritual, the chieftain would be covered in gold dust and, adorned with golden ornaments, would travel by raft to the center of a sacred lake, believed to be Lake Guatavita. There, he would cast offerings of gold and precious stones into the waters as a tribute to the gods. This was El Dorado, meaning the gilded one, a man, not a place. However, as these accounts reached the Spanish conquistadors, their perception was filtered through their own European folklore and their overwhelming desire for wealth. The story of a golden man and his offerings was transformed into the legend of a city, a kingdom, or even an empire built entirely of gold, hidden somewhere in the vast, unexplored interior of South America. This potent myth ignited a wave of relentless and often brutal expeditions throughout the 16th and 17th centuries. Driven by the promise of El Dorado's riches, figures like Gonzalo Pizarro, Sebastián de Belalcázar, and Nicolaus Federmann led arduous journeys through unforgiving landscapes, jungles, mountains, and vast river systems. These expeditions faced immense challenges: disease, starvation, hostile indigenous populations, and the constant, bitter disappointment of finding no golden city. Even the English explorer Sir Walter Raleigh pursued the legend, searching in the region of Guyana. As each expedition failed to locate the mythical city, its supposed location shifted, pushed further into the unexplored depths of the continent. The legend persisted, evolving with each retelling, fueled by fragmented reports and the enduring hope of a monumental discovery. In more recent times, archaeological investigations, particularly around Lake Guatavita in Colombia, have provided significant insights into the historical basis of the El Dorado ritual. Excavations have indeed recovered numerous gold artifacts from the lake, consistent with the descriptions of offerings. The discovery of the Muisca raft, a golden figurine depicting the ceremony on a raft, offers compelling visual evidence of this practice. However, the archaeological findings suggest that while the ritual involving offerings of gold was real, the scale of activity around the lake points to a significant sacred site, rather than a sprawling metropolitan center of gold. The legend of El Dorado, the city of gold, ultimately proved to be a phantom, a powerful and destructive illusion born from cultural misunderstanding and the corrosive effects of greed. Yet, the story of the search for its location remains a compelling chapter in the history of exploration, a testament to the lengths to which people will go in pursuit of a dream, and a reminder of the complex interplay between myth, history, and the enduring mysteries of the past.